Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Astha, a first semester pursuing my computer science and engineering from Sri Venkateswara College. In this video, I will tell you an important aspect of the C programming language, that is, operators in C. So in this video, we will cover the introduction to C, operators in C, arithmetic, relational, equality, logical, and unary operators, along with assignment operators and conclusion. Introduction to C. C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language despite being old. The main reason for its popularity is because it is a fundamental language in the field of computer science. If you know C, you will have no problem in learning other popular languages such as Java, Python, C++, as the syntax is quite similar. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both applications and technologies. Operators in C. An operator is defined as a symbol which specifies the mathematical, logical, or relational operation to be performed. These operators can be categorized into following major groups: arithmetic, relational, conditional, equality, logical, unary, bitwise, assignment, and comma operators. So first, let's study about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators can be applied to any integer or floating point number. Except for the modulus operator, all other arithmetic operators can accept a mix of integer and floating point numbers. If both the operands are integers, the result is also an integer. And if both the operands are floating point number, then the result is also a floating point number. Let's study more about arithmetic operators with the help of a program. In this program, we have taken input of two integer numbers as operand 1 and operand 2 and performed the arithmetic operations between them, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. With the help of these outputs, let's study each one of them. In both the cases, we have taken the integers at 76 and 56. In first output, we have taken the operator as plus, so it directly gives the output as sum is equal to 132. In second output, we have selected an operator minus, so it automatically gives the difference of 20. Now let's study about the next operators, that is relational operator. A relational operator is also known as comparison operator. It is the one that compares two values. It returns true or false value depending on whether the conditional relationship between the two operands holds or not. Although blank spaces are allowed between an operand and an operator, but no space is permitted between the components of the operator. Here is a table that defines the various relational operators such as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Let's study more about relational operators with the help of a program. In this program, we have taken two integer values as x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20, and we have performed the various relational operations between them such as less than, greater than, equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to signs between, not equal to operations between them. So let's see the output. If the relation between the two variables x and y is true, then it will return the value as 1. And if the relation between them is false, then it will return the value as 0. For example, 10 is less than 20. So that's a true relation between them. So it has returned the output as 1. 10 is equal to 20, which is false, so 0. 10 is not equal to 20, which is true, so 1. Like this, we have studied about the relational operators. So next, let's study about equality operators. C language supports two kinds of equality operators to operate their operands for strict equality or inequality. They are equal to or not equal to operators. Equal to returns 1 if both the operands are equal, 0 otherwise, and not equal to returns 1 if operands do not have the same value, otherwise 0. Next, let's talk about logical operators. C language supports three types of logical operators. First, logical AND. If expressions on both the sides of the logical operator is true, then only the whole expression is true. For example, B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So this whole expression is true only if both the expressions are true. That is, if B is greater than A as well as it is greater than C. Here is the truth table for the same. Next, we have logical OR operator. If one or both the expressions on the left and the right side of the logical operator is true, then the whole expression is true. For example, B is greater than A or B is greater than C. Then the whole expression is true if either B is greater than A or B is greater than C. Here is the truth table for the logical OR operator. And lastly, we have logical NOT operator. The logical NOT operator takes a single expression and negates the value of the expression. That means it just reverses the value of the expression. For example, if it's 0, then it will become 1, and if it's 1, then it becomes 0. So let's study about next, that is unary operators. C supports three unary operators: unary minus, increment and decrement operators. Unary minus, which is denoted by a minus sign. When an operand is preceded by a minus sign, unary minus operator negates the value. For example, here we have two integers as a and b, which is equal to 10. If a is equal to minus of b, then the output becomes a is equal to minus 10. That is negative value of b, that is negative of 10. So a is equal to minus 10. Next, let's talk about increment and decrement operators. Increment operator increases the value of its operand by 1 and decrement operator decreases the value by 1. These two operators have two variants, that is prefix plus plus x or minus minus x. That is, the altered value is used for the computation, and as postfix, that is x plus plus or x minus minus. In this, the unaltered value is used for computation. Remember that plus x is not same as x plus plus. Similarly, minus minus x is not same as x minus minus. Let us understand about this more nicely with the help of a program. This is a program for unary prefix increment and decrement operator. So as we have taken over here an integer with a variable name as num, and we have assigned a value 3. So plus plus num becomes 4 and minus minus num becomes 3 itself. Similarly, it's a program for unary postfix increment and decrement operator where the value remains unaltered for the computation. Lastly, let's talk about assignment operators. In C, assignment operator is responsible for assigning the values to the variables. The equal sign is the fundamental assignment operator. Other than the equal sign, we have the addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulo assignment operators. Let's understand more about this with the help of a program. So in this program, we have taken two integers as num1 is equal to 3 and num2 is equal to 5. So the initial value of num1 and num2 is 3 and 5. After using the assignment operators, here we have the altered values. Conclusion: C operators are one of the features in C which has symbols that can be used to perform mathematical, relational, bitwise, conditional, or logical manipulations. The C programming language has a lot of built-in operators to perform various tasks as per the need of the program. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a property or variable. Assignment operators can be numeric, date, system, time, or text. Comparison operators are used to perform comparisons. Logical operators are used to perform the logical operations. Boolean operators include AND, OR, XOR, or NOT, and can have one of the values that is either true or false. So, so with this, we come to an end of our video. I hope that you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.